Hey everyone, Happy New Year, Happy 2020. We have made it through, oh my God, we made it through last year. I wish I could high five all of you at once. Anyways, I'm coming live to you from Amsterdam. You can see outside, there is a view outside of my window, lovely, located in the lovely Rembrandt Park, so please don't stalk me, but yeah, and it's really cute sometimes. There's like a little thing where ponies come out, but anyways, ponies aside, welcome to a brand spanking new semester, semester 2 ICM students. How exciting is this? And for this block, block 3, I'm actually the block 3 coordinator. And what that means is that this year, each block, there is a different lecturer that is responsible for communicating to you, the students. And I'm in charge of block 3, so I decided to do it through video format. So yeah, we can spend some more quality time together, QT quality time. To kick this off, every week I'm going to be sending out a sort of set of videos that will let you know what's happening within our ICM community, some of the deadlines and dates, and, well, why not begin? First on the list to talk about, we have Skills Week coming up, and that is going to be January 25th to 27th. So around 50 of you have signed up, and this is a course that will teach Photoshop, and this is more so intended for the first years, but I see that there's some second years and third years as well. Inez, I just added you to the list, so cool. This is going to be taught by a CMD design student named Nayang. So she is brilliant, she's funny, and yeah, you guys are going to have a total blast. Next up, PPP students, you have an opportunity to present all of your fabulous findings and work. I mean, you worked for the last semester coming up with all these beautiful research insights, and you have the chance to present it to the POSIT client, and I definitely encourage you to do so. I mean, it's like a really nice resume booster. Yeah, it's pretty cool that you have an opportunity to present it to the CEO of this company. So I would definitely encourage you to take it up, even though I know that you might need maybe this week just to rest easy now that all of those deadlines have been handed in. We also had the alumni talks yesterday. Thank you, Maddie, and thank you, Anik, for organizing it. It was wonderful. It was really cool to see Jane again, and yeah, all the places that she's gone, as well as a couple of others. And really nice to hear their feedback and insights as to some of their suggestions on what to do when you're studying, when you're interviewing for jobs, and afterwards. If you missed it yesterday and you are kicking yourself, don't worry. There is going to be a second one on February 2nd. A second one on February 2nd. 222. Okay. Anyways, moving on. Lastly, first years, this is an announcement for you. We intend to have a first year kickoff on Friday, February 5th. And this will be from 12 to 1 p.m. And this is where you're going to meet all of your upcoming lecturers and kind of get a taste about what you're going to be learning in block 3. After that, I need a glass of water. After that, from 2 to 5, you will have your design thinking kickoff, and this will be the project that you will do the whole semester, so of course you should attend. Now, lastly on the list, yeah, many of you, this is for second, third, and first years. You have submitted your assignments, and keep in mind that we have a 20 working day grading policy. So as soon as you have submitted your assignment, we have 20 working days to grade your work. So just in case you're wondering where are my grades at, count the days. I don't know how to make that more jad. Count the days. One. Everybody loves. Okay, this is not going to turn into Sesame Street. So, for example, if you submitted your practical research skills 3 assignment on January 18th, you should receive your marks latest by February 12th in Osiris. So, hooray! Okay, that's it. And well, now that I have your attention, I can just talk about what I did for the break. I kept it really easy, and it was so nice just to rest and relax. My partner and I rented a car, so we were able to drive to the ocean and do some walks. I'll send you a screenshot here somewhere. I watched a lot of TV. I started up an Animal Crossing town, and I listened to Fiona Apple and I cried. No kidding. And other than that, yeah, in the Netherlands, we apparently are having a curfew going to be introduced today, so that should be exciting. And by exciting, I mean not exciting. I really just want to go to the hairdresser. So, okay, there's a Dutch word called corona kapsel, and it means like a corona haircut. And so I will demonstrate. I need a haircut. Actually, it's kind of looking good. It's looking voluminous, but you can see that I need to like, oh gosh. Okay, now I'm just gonna be finicking with my hair for the rest of today. So I will let you go, and yeah, I just wanted to introduce you to these cool weekly videos in which you will be informed of what's going on within ICM and within this block. And yeah, for the rest, have a beautiful start to your internships, year 3. Congratulations, you are going to be using all of your talents now at your internships, and you're going to kick butt. So best of luck with that. You don't need luck. Second years, good luck with your upcoming minors, and for the very few who are going on exchanges. And the first years, yeah, I'm excited to meet you in digital communications. So with that being said, I will put my hat back on and wish you a beautiful, wonderful day. Okay, take care, guys. Bye.